Hello everyone. In this tutorial we'll talk about the interface of Photoshop CS5, how it looks, what is where in the workspace and so on. Okay, this is how the interface looks. Let's start with the toolbar. Now this is the Photoshop toolbar. It has all of the Photoshop tools presented on this. You'll notice that some tools have a small triangle on the right side bottom. If you click on those tools and hold your click, you will see that it expands and displays many other tools. Okay, so here let's say if you look at the lasso tools, you get a set of other tools too. Okay, now you would notice that when you click on this tool, that's the move tool here, this one, this panel here changed. Let's say you click on some other tool, the lasso tool, the panel changed again. This panel is the option panel. This is specific to the tool which is selected here. So if you change the tool, if you select some other tool, this tool will change and give you the settings to apply the tool which is presented here. Okay, see here. Now on top of the tool is the application panel. Okay, it gives you various options. So this is the option for using bridge if you want to, mini bridge if you want to. This is the option for showing guides and rulers. This is the option for showing zoom level. This is for arranging multiple documents, and this is for displaying screen in various display formats. Okay, on top you have the main Photoshop menu. If you click on different titles here, you will get different drop down menus which will take you to different capabilities or different options, different Photoshop options. Okay, so let's go ahead and open a new file, new, and you will get this window, this panel. So here the file name now is untitled. Let it be like that. Preset is there. Your width and height is in inches, 8 by 11 inches. Resolution is 72 pixels per inch. If you are designing for print, inches is a good way to go. But if you are designing for websites or web banners, it's generally pixels. Okay. However, it depends upon what is more convenient for you and what is required. Okay. So once you are done with that, click OK, and you will see a new document presented here. Now this new document is still blank, so you will just see a black canvas, 8-inch by 11-inch. Now let's open an existing document. So go to File, Open, and here I click on Desktop and I select my Pictures folder, and let me just select a file from there which I want to open, and I click on the file and the file gets opened. Now you will see that both the open files, the blank document, as well as the picture which we just opened, they are presented side by side through the tabs on the top. Okay. Now right now we are in standard screen mode, but we can also go to full screen mode with menu bar. When you go to full screen mode, both the tabs kind of go away and the file which is open, only that file is displayed. Okay. Now if you want to see both the documents together, you can come to this option and you can select any of the options here, and you will see that both the files, the picture we just opened as well as the blank document, are presented side by side. There are many other options, and you can decide whichever you want to use to display the work you are doing, or to display multiple files together. Okay. Now the next useful thing is the zoom level. So here you can right now our file is displayed at 33.3%, so 1/3 of its original size. If you want to look at it at the original size, you click on 100 and you see the file in its original size. Let's bring it back to 50%. Then the other options here in the next on the next icon, you can show guides, you can show grids which look like this and which help you manage manage placement of objects, if you are doing something which requires high degree of precision and alignment. Okay. Similarly, you can see rulers here, and these are the rulers on top and on side. Okay. Now, another important aspect of Photoshop interface is the panels. So, for example, you want to work on 3D objects or use 3D capabilities. So you click on the window and click on 3D, and you will get the panels here. Okay. Now, right now, let's see where the 3D panel is. So here is the 3D panel. You can drag on the gray top bar on the panel and drag it out, and here you can see the 3D panel. Similarly, you can see other panels by selecting them from here, and you can remove panels by deselecting them or by clicking on the top here. Okay, so now I have only 3D panel open, and now that's pretty much it as far as the workspace is concerned. In the following tutorials, I'll talk more about specific tools and specific capabilities and how to use them. Thank you.